to everything that I do. I am personally, I take things like this to heart. I can go on and on about this topic. Because growing up, I used to ask, because I'm a very inquisitive child. It's a gift that God has actually given to me. I am very, very assertive. Ever since I clocked 5 years old, I remember every major incident that happened to me till date. I don't even know how. Even people that I've met, that I've come across in the course of me growing up, for some reason, I will remember. But when I became very matured to a large extent, I started asking questions. My parents and my other siblings, and I used to ask at that early age. I could remember at 15 years old, what is fundamentally wrong with a black man? What is fundamentally wrong with a black man? Is something fundamentally wrong with us? And I realized that, truthfully, we're something that is called the guinea pig for the entire humanity. And that's the truth we have. Before I go further, I would like the panelists to gracefully stand up. I am very impressed with them. Substance can stand for. We don't have any shades of it. I've looked at it very deeply. There is nothing like light black or dark black. That's the only color. You will never have any shades of it. Black is black. No other light black, dark black, lilac black. No, it's not possible. You can have different shades of white, snow white, crystal white. You can have different shades of other colors. You can never have any shade of black. And that is the peak of all spectral colors. Peak. And from black, you get other colors. It is from that black color that you extract other colors. And that is what is actually related to who we are. We are black people, fundamentally, before we're Nigerians. So today, let us give every black man a resounding round of applause. A lot of people probably might not get my message. The truth be told, there is no shade of black at all. Black is black. And please say after me, black is beautiful. Say after me, black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Another resounding round of applause for yourself. On the last lap, let me now go back to the panelists. I listened to all of you. You did very well. I heard you loud and clear. You mentioned something about slavery, that our people sold ourselves to the world. I want you to do further research. It's not true. It is in the world, we are number one. Long distance, we are number one. Football, we are number one. Basketball, we are number one. American football, rugby, everything, we're number one. No race can still compete with the black people in terms of strength. So it was when they realized that the best race in the world in terms of strength, when they go and buy Chinese slave, is a waste of money because they will just die along the way. When they go and buy Indian slave, it's a waste of money. They will just go and die along the way. So it's like a question of we sold ourselves. It's always very tricky. I just want to try and, you can check all these things out. You will realize that it is as a result of territorial aspiration. They now realize that, oh, these people, they like to fight. You will not believe it that in the black race, we have the longest war in the whole of human history, and that war is called Decries War. It lasted more than 33 years. We were fighting almost every day. You can never see any war like that. So going forward, we need to do a lot of research, because you kept asking, what's the way forward? We should stop crying. If you tell me to go to your house now, I can't break into your house and know where you put your shoes, your car keys, your dress. It's you that will call me on phone and guide me. Go to the left, pick my shoe there. Go to the right, pick my car keys there. My best dress is at a particular corner of my house, because you know your house and all of us. But someone will bubble into your house and will want to take everything. It's difficult. Nobody can tell our story ourselves. Nobody knows our house more than us, except all of us. So what you have done today, all of you, what you have displayed today, very exceptional, very impressed about everything you've done. In fact, I want to sit back, please. If you can permit me, I want to have personal relationship with them. When I put on things like this together, because I like to blend modernity and tradition, I can be inviting you for events like this. And also one of you mentioned the issue of blending Christianity and our religion and our heritage.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.